Hello students, today we are back with a new topic, that is alcohol. In the previous class we have studied about toxic substances. What are toxic substances? Those substances which after consuming gives false feeling of joy, happiness and pleasure is known as toxic substances. In fact, in real condition we don't feel any joy, but these are the substances which gives false feeling. In that we have completed gutka, tobacco. Now the third one is alcohol. What is alcohol? It is very dangerous. Alcohol is a liquor or liquid substances in which the main component is ethyl alcohol, C2H5OH. Now why the name C2H5OH is there? Because one carbon is known as meth and two carbon is known as eth, so its name is ethyl alcohol. In all types of alcoholic beverages, whether it is wine, whether it is beer, the composition of ethyl alcohol is different in all types of liquid alcoholic beverages. Now sometimes you have heard that many of the people has died due to the alcoholic beverages, or they have consumed alcohol, that's why they have died. What is the reason behind this? Because they have taken the alcohol in which main component was methyl alcohol. Meth means one carbon, so methyl alcohol, this is the formula of methyl alcohol. So they have taken the alcohol in which methyl was present. It is very harmful for us and it is poisonous in nature, so it is known as poisonous liquor. Now what is the harmful effect of this? Fatty liver disease. A disease which is known as fatty liver is caused due to intake of alcohol. Now what happens in this disease? Protein and carbohydrate synthesis, that means liver cannot synthesize this type of substances, so this is the harmful effect of alcohol. Second, control and coordination is affected. When you drink alcohol, your body, the organs in which you want to control, you can't control that organs, and your control and coordination is affected, and chance of accident increases. Apart from this, your social image is also affected. If the person living in the areas nearby you comes to know that you drink alcohol, in this way your social image is affected. Apart from this, your economic loss is also there. Next, excess alcohol reaches your liver, and here it is converted into a substance which is known as acetaldehyde, which is poisonous substance. So if excess alcohol reaches your liver, then it is also harmful. In this way we have completed the third toxic substance. The fourth one is opium. In Hindi it is known as afim. Now from which plant do we get opium? We get opium from Papaver somniferum plant. From which part do we get opium? We get from fruit part. Which fruit? Unripe fruit. Now there are 30 types of alkaloids. Alkaloids means harmful substances, toxic substances which are found in opium. There are 30 types. The main alkaloids are morphine, codeine, papaverine, somniferine, thebaine. These are the main alkaloids. Now the question arises, sir, if this opium contains 30 types of alkaloids, then why our government has not put a ban on the growing of opium, on the cultivation of opium? There is one reason. This is the important one. Morphine and codeine, these are the two alkaloids which are found in the opium. These are used as a painkiller in many medicine. That's why the government has not put a ban on this. Now opium is used by villagers on the occasion and to forget their sorrows. They think that they can overcome their sorrows after taking opium, so this they take opium. The other drugs include LSD, lysergic acid, diethylamine, charas, ganja, cocaine. These are the substances which affect mental and physical health. Apart from this, there are some substances like thinner, nail polish, petrol. These are the substances which are used by small children. They also affect their mental, that means brain and liver and kidneys. Now the next topic is adulteration. What is adulteration? Adulteration is the process in which the quality of food is lowered by the addition of inferior quality materials. That means to increase the quantity, they mix the inferior quality substance. Like if somebody wants to increase the amount of black pepper, that is kali mirch, they want to increase the quantity of that, and in that they mix the papaya seeds to increase its quantity. This is known as adulteration. Now there are some topics through example through which we can see that what is adulteration. This type of foods are harmful for us. That means adulterated food are very harmful. For example, the best example is milk. To increase the quantity of milk, I'm not saying about quality, I'm saying quantity. To increase the quantity, they mix some amount of water. In this way, the quantity is increased but the quality is decreased. So adulteration is the process in which the quantity is increased but quality is decreased. Now the most important topic is cold drink. You have heard the name cold drink, and many of you drink cold drink. Some of the people drink cold drink every day. So when I will describe you the cold drink, after that I hope so that many of you will not drink alcohol from today. Now what are the harmful effects after drinking cold drink? Ethylene glycol. Ethylene glycol is added in cold drink. It does not allow it to freeze up to 0 degrees Celsius. Freeze. It does not allow. Ethyl glycol is a substance which is added to cold drink, and it does not allow to freeze up to 0 degree Celsius. That means on 0 degree also it does not freeze. Second, phosphoric acid, which is found in cold drink, directly affects our teeth. Our teeth are so sensitive. Now it can also melt iron. Iron is a metal and it is very hard. Phosphoric acid can also phosphoric acid can also melt iron. Think that it can melt iron also, then teeth are very soft. So we should not drink cold drink. Third, 0.4 ppm lead present in cold drink affect our nervous system, brain and kidney. Next harmful effect, caffeine is found in cold drink. It disturbs our sleeplessness. That means our sleeping cycle is disturbed due to this, and the person is unable to sleep properly, and headache is caused due to caffeine. Next, fumaric acid, gluconic acid, acetic and tartaric acid, which increase the acidity. That means these are the acidic substance, and this increase the acidity of our body. We feel irritability and obstacle in bone development. That means our bones are unable to develop. Now the next is synthetic milk is obtained with the help of urea, detergent, soda, poster, color. In the time of festival, the demand of milk is increased and the supply is less. At that time, the people adulterate the milk, or they make the synthetic milk in this milk. These are the chemicals which are found, and this is very harmful for us. Nowadays the people are playing with the health of the people. They adulterate the food to increase the quantity of material. They inferior the quality. That means the quality is decreased and the quantity is increased. Now I will give you some example by which we can see that food are adulterated. Now mustard oil, to increase the quantity, palm oil is mixed in this is adulteration example. Mustard, in mustard argemone is mixed. In pure ghee vegetable oil is mixed. Chili powder, the red color, to increase chili powder, to increase the quality, not quantity, to increase the quantity of chili powder, brick powder is mixed. Next, turmeric powder, to increase the quantity of turmeric powder, to get more benefit from turmeric powder, they mix lead chromate, which is yellow in color, and yellow soil. In this way the turmeric powder quantity is increased and quality is decreased. Now black pepper, in black pepper papaya seeds are mixed. Next is gram flour, maize flour is mixed. In pulses rice artificial colors are mixed. Coriander, sulfur is mixed. Fennel, artificial green color is mixed in fennel. Now important thing is this: lead copper solution are sprayed on fruits and vegetables to keep them fresh. Lead and copper solutions are sprayed on this. These are chemical substances which are very harmful for us. Next, 5 star silver nitrate, remember this, is sprayed on cauliflower to maintain its white color. You have seen the cauliflower, the color of the cauliflower is white. To give it shining, to give its white color, a compound silver nitrate is mixed or sprayed on the cauliflower. Now this is the harmful effect of adulteration. The next topic is food adulteration. To control the adulteration of food, a law was passed in the year 1954 to control the adulteration of food, but this law is not implemented properly, or it doesn't look very good law, because the person who does adulteration, or they are found to be guilty, after getting the punishment, whenever they come back, they again follows the same profession. That means they doesn't have any fear of the government. So the government should implement the laws very strictly, so that the people who are doing these types of adulteration, they should be given very hard punishment, so that in the future they should not do this type of activities, because adulterating the food is very harmful for the people. They are playing with the health of the people, so they should be given very hard punishment. Next, we have completed the chapter. Moving now the question time. My question is, what is the normal BP of a healthy person? My question is, what is the normal BP of a healthy person? Please give your answer in the comment box. And students, if you are learning from my videos, if my videos are helpful to you, then please hit the like button and subscribe this channel and press the bell icon, so that you get the latest notification when I post my videos. Thank you for watching these videos. Have a good day.